All right, here we go. Here we go. What's going on, y'all? Haha, Dale. And so, haven't recorded any of my bike rides lately, but we gonna get on the bike. We gonna get on the bike now. We gonna take a bike ride. Oh, excuse me, damn. We gonna take a bike ride. Damn, I don't even know what to do. If I should make long videos, short videos, or what I should do. Document the whole thing, or just cut it up. I need better, I guess, what do you call it? Applications or programs to do video editing. Cause I don't know. I don't be using anything to do that. I'm gonna do my research and then get back into it, man. Ooh, excuse me. I gotta get back into definitely gotta get back into recording stuff, recording exercises, and all that good stuff. Grab water. All right, just gotta lock it up. Need some water, man. Need some water everywhere you at, not just Florida. The hell? Stand, bro. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, yo, I got something for you. I'm gonna see if, let me just show you real quick, alright? Let me, come back to you.